Hello children. Now 5th class mathematics 12th chapter time. What is our chapter? Time. See all of you. On page number 110. Take out page number 110. So here given, try this activity. See here. Eat breakfast in hours, in minutes, in seconds. First of all, write in your notebook to children. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Write in your notebook to children. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 day equals to 24 hours. So 1 day equals to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 day equals to 24 hours. See here. So in eat breakfast 1 by 3 hour. 1 by 3 hour means, see here, 1 by 3 hour. So 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. See here, 1 by 3 into 60. 303, 3 to the 6. So it means 20 minutes. 20 minutes. How many minutes? 20 minutes. So how many seconds? So 1 minute to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute to 60 seconds. So 20 minutes to 20 minutes. See here. 1 by 3 hour equals to 20 minutes. So how many seconds? 20 minutes. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 20 into 60. 0 to 0. 6 0 to 0. 6 to the 12. 1200 seconds. All of you understand which slide came this slide? See, 1 by 3 hour. 20 minutes, 1200 seconds. Are you understand children? Take a bath. So how much time taking bath? You will write here and calculate here. Okay? Watch a movie, complete homework, read 1 page in a book. So how much time you are taking? That much time only you will write. Okay? So next page. See here. Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. See this figure children. Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. So Government of Telangana, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Certificate of birth. So are you know children birth certificate? Certificate of birth. So here giving register for. So see. District and state name given here. Which name? Akhila. K. Akhila. Sex female. Date of birth 16/8/1997. 1997. Registration number, place of birth and date of registration also here given. Date of birth and this is the date of registration. Are you observing children? So which day birth? Date of birth 16/8. Date of registration 21/8. So this is the date of birth children. Don't confuse, okay? So this is the birth certificate. The certificates, birth certificate. You know birth certificate? You also have birth certificates. You will check once, okay? So Akhila's date of birth as per birth certificate 16/8/1997. So what does it mean? 16 in the day of the day and 8 is the month of the year. August. See here 16 date. 8 means which month? August month. 1997 means year. So that means Akila was born 16th August 1997. She is born 16. 8th means August. August 1997. 16 August 1997. See here. Take out page number 112. Open it. See here. How many months old would be Akila by in 27/11/1997? So see here. So here 8th month in 97. So 11th month, how many months? 9, 10, 11 months. 3 months only. 11 months to November to 3 months. 3 months, right? So write all of you in this your textbook too. The number line given below show some years before and after the birth year of Akila. See here. How many years old will she be in 2004? In 2004 to how many years old she? See here. So in 1997 only she is burning. See 97 to 98 1 year, 98 to 99 2 years, 99 to 2000 3 years, 2000 to 2001 4 years, 2001 to 2002 5 6 7. How many years? 7 years. How many years? 7 years. How many years old in 2004? 7 years. So in which year will she be? 9 years old. So on which year 9 years? So on 2004 only 7 years. 2004 only 7 years. So 5, 8 years, 6. So in 2006, 8 years. In 2006, how many years old? 8 years. See here. In Akila's brother is 6 years. If Akila's brother is 6 years older than her. So then in which year was he born? So Akila born in 1997. So his brother 6 years older only. How many years older? 6 years older. So Akila's brother in which year born? 1991. So write in your textbook to children. You also draw this. See here. Now collect information about your birth and fill in the space given below. So you also have birth certificate. Birth certificate. You only prepare this birth certificate. Name, sex female or male. Date of birth, registration number, place of birth, date of registration, name of father, name of mother, date of issue. So on which date the birth certificate will be issued. See here. I am showing once again. See here. See, this is the date of birth. This is registration number. This is date of registration. Understand all of you? So write all of you. You only complete. Your details only write. Don't copy. Your details only write in this box. Next one. Take out your notebook and write this exercise problems. So you will complete that box also, children. write in words. See, first one. Read the following dates and write in words. Write in words. So on which date given here? 26 1 2000. So dash on given, children. So here 26th. This is the date only. 26th. It means day. 20 number 26th. 26th. 1 means 26th January. Which month? First month. January. 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 26th January 2000. 2000. So which line we are reading this? 26th January 2000. Understand? So on second one. 24/9/2010. See, say here. 24th 9th month means which month? How many months are there in here? 12 months only. 9th month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September is the 9th month. 24th September. SEPTEMBER. Are you remember, children? Spellings. 24th September 2010. 2010. September 2010. Next one. 5/2/1999. Who is writing? Which line you are saying? Reading? So are you understand, children? You will write this. 5th. Second means second month means February. 5th February. BRUARY. 5th February 1999. 1999. Right, all of you. See here. 26th January 2000, 24th September 2010, 5th February 1999. Right, all of you? So I am giving another one. So in your textbook to not there. So D1 I have only given. See, 6th, which month? 10th month means October. 10th month means October. 6th October 2021. 6th October 2021. Right, all of you? All of you understand, children? So in which date we will give it? Read, okay? Just like only reading. Dates and months and years, which like we are reading. Understand, all of you? Write first. In your notebook too also you will write, children. Write neatly. Write, all of you. So our next class too, we are discussing. Write the following dates using numbers. So they are given some dates only. Sorry, numbers only given. See here, dates given here. So we are writing numbers, okay? And some verbal problems also is there. So we will continue in the next class. See here, this also you will complete it, children. Take a bath, watch a movie, complete homework, read one page in a book, count from 1 to 50. So how many hours do you will complete it? How many minutes do you will complete? How many seconds? This also you will write. You will calculate and write. Okay? So 1 minute equals to how many seconds? Are you remember, children? Do you remember? 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So okay, children? You will find out and you will write this also. Birth certificate also. You will see your birth certificate and write this. So don't confuse, children. So date of birth and date of registration is different only. Date of birth means which date you are born in which date, that one only. So in which date to registration, that one only date of registration. Okay, don't confuse, you will write properly. Okay, children? So you will complete this box also. Name and date of birth, registration number, place of birth. So in which place to your birth, date of registration, and name of mother, name of father, date of issue. In which date to issue, that also you will write. Write this first. Okay, children, all of you.